Hey friends, Billy from LM Cases here, and today we are going to look at a rather unique case. This is what we call our drum set transport case with integrated platform. So this particular case is designed to be an all-in-one drum riser in addition to transport solution. I know what you're thinking, Billy, I can't take this on tour, and you're right. You probably can't, you probably shouldn't. But this is a very specific market intended for this. This is specifically designed for churches who have to share spaces. So if you are a church that is operating out of a gymnasium or out of a shared space, and you need to save some time by setting your drum kit up every single week because there's a finite amount of time to get everything set up, this is what this is designed for. So what you can do is you can leave your drums relatively set up and have a big enough space behind it to accommodate a fairly large kit. And then basically what you do is you just move everything towards the front, close this back portion up, and it gives you the dual functionality of not only providing you a drum riser, but it does give you a storage modality to it. So Ben from the integration department has donated his drum kit for the sake of pictures, so shout out to Ben. But let me show you a little bit about this case. So the bottom here is carpet. So that prevents the need to supply a drum rug for any of this. This is a piece of Baltic birch plywood that's on here like this. And it is wrapped in carpet. The back portion here is designed to accommodate a throne, a monitor, any of that kind of thing. And this is actually hinged. And this has leveling feet on the back of it here. And these feet are actually removable, so you can leave them on this case if you'd like, if it's going in, say, a closet or something like that, or if it is actually going on a truck. You can remove them, and there's actually a storage compartment right over here for the feet. Again, wrapped in carpet. So the way that this works is that there is this back portion that is hinged, as I mentioned previously. It does have a removable foam block that's right here to prevent a gap. So if you notice, the cymbal stand is right on the gap, the floor tom leg is right on the gap. I think the hi-hat stand is right on the gap, so we do have that little foam block that goes in there to make it as seamless as possible. So if you notice in the background here, we do have lids. So these lids are made out of, the whole case is made out of half-inch plywood laminated with your choice of colors. This one is black. It does have handles that go all the way around it. And on the back here, there are additional handles so that you can wrangle this thing. As you can imagine, it is not very light. So I'm going to set the camera down here a second, and Ben and I are going to put this back into transport mode so you can see how it all goes together.
Oh, that would have easily cleared. Yeah. Oh, I'm a little bit off. No, I'm not. Okay.
All right, so we've got one lid on. So you can see at the back here, all we did was sort of scoot everything forward and drop the cymbals. But even in this orientation, there still is a good bit of room in there. So now that we're half in like this, we're going to put the other lid on. Is that good? So each one of these legs does have a swiveling foot with a little rubber piece on the bottom, and these are just screwed into the bottom of the platform. All right, so this is what the back looks like with everything retracted. So the feet can be left on if you'd like. If it's going into a storage closet, it's probably not the worst idea just to keep them on if you have the room. If you don't, you can take them off. The lid, or the riser portion, will hinge all the way to the ground. So even if the feet aren't on it, it will drop all the way to the ground without a problem. The little protector plastic blocks and everything up here, these guys right here, will protect it. Any of the studded portions from getting damaged or damaging your floor. You can add the feet, and you're good to go. So if you have any questions about this or anything else, you can send me an email, billy@lmcases.com. If you'd like to purchase this case direct from us, you can, lmcasesonline.com, or you can check the link in the description below. And if you'd like to see the daily goings-on of LM, check us out on Instagram. We are LM_cases. Thanks so much for stopping by. Catch you guys on the next one. Bye.